All right, we had to make another roadside stop here for Giovanni's shrimp truck. I'm excited. We just stopped on our loop around the North Shore here at Giovanni's shrimp truck. Just about anyone who knows Hawaii knows Giovanni's. And I'm gonna grab myself some yummy garlicky shrimp. Oh my god, the closer I get, the better it smells. The garlic smell is amazing. All right, I got my mac salad, my shrimp scampi. I'm ready to dig in. It's peel and eat shrimp. All right, I got my first shrimp peeled. There are whole pieces of garlic on the shrimp. Perfect for Ed, but probably not. You gonna want a bite of this one, Ed?
Maybe.
There's a giant juicy shrimp, butter, and garlic. It's really good, and it's really well cooked. Definitely worth a stop here at Giovanni's Shrimp Shop. Ed, do you want a bite?
All right.
All right, you saw the damage that I did to those shrimp. They were delicious. Each shrimp was jumbo and juicy and garlicky and yummy, and each shrimp I moved on to was better than the one before it. I don't know, I have to say, you always question a little bit, you know, it's a touristy place, should I go? In this case, touristy is a place you should go. Giovanni's Shrimp Truck was amazing. And the mac salad was great too, but because of the garlic of the shrimp, I let Ed have the mac salad. I'll let him fill you in a little bit on that.
Yeah, that shrimp, I had a couple of little bites. Garlic is sometimes an issue for me, it just doesn't always agree with me, but I will say, the few bites I let myself take were absolutely fantastic. Shrimp were perfect. There was nothing to complain about with those shrimp. I can't find a single thing. They were delicious. Except for maybe, for me, they were too garlicky, but that's the idea. The mac salad was awesome. Way, way, way more peppery than I would typically make it, but I thought it was great. It added a lot of flavor. So I mostly eat that. Delicious, and there was a ton of food for the $14 in that plate. It was definitely worth it.
All right, over here by Giovanni's, there's also other food trucks where you can get smoothies, shave ice, they have waffles on a stick, and behind us you hear that noise. Kind of something interesting from our very first trip to Hawaii. Ed and I need to do some quick shopping.
The first time we were on an island, we got a Tiki. The second time we were on an island, we got a Tiki. So the third time on an island, we have to get
a Tiki.
A Tiki.
And the only rule is the person has to be carving the wood for us to purchase the Tiki from them, and you hear that going on behind us right now. So let's go pick out our Tiki from this trip. It's the first Tiki from this island.
Yay!
Oh no, it's not.
Oh no, we got one.
We have one from Big Island, one from Honolulu. This one will be from North Shore here. Same island as the last one.
Yay!
Yay.
I immediately found the one I want. Right here. Look at him.
Okay, that one's pretty awesome.
Yeah, real cool. I like how you write neater with that than I write with a pen.
Aloha.
All right. This is the Tiki we chose. I love him. His name is Ku. We didn't name him. That's the name of the Tiki god. And we even got them to inscribe our anniversary date on there, which is tomorrow. And I'm always impressed that he can write neater with his tool than I can write with a pen. I love him. Look at that. That's cool. That was our trip to Giovanni's Shrimp Truck.
Oh my goodness, was it delicious.
Yeah.
And if you loved watching me peel, struggle, eat shrimp, and get garlic over my hands, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified as we upload more and more fun travel videos.
Yeah, and take this video, find your friends and family, and share.